Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, back today with a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to show you how to make this cute little welcome hanging using some simple items from Dollar Tree. This came together for less than $5. So y'all stay tuned to see how we did it. Using the little gold welcome circle ring, wreath, whatever it's called, and a canvas that I took the canvas off of. We're just going to use the frame. While we're waiting for our items that I spray painted to dry, we're just going to take some watered down brown paint and we're just going to stain this frame. Okay, so we've got our little welcome circle painted black, and we're going to put a few florals on here. And I have just this foliage stem from Dollar Tree, and I have some zinnias. These are from Dollar Tree also, and some little miniature roses. I think these are from Walmart, and then this is some eucalyptus from Walmart also. So I think we're going to use maybe a mixture of them, and we're just going to hot glue them on here. I just have a little piece of silicone mat I'm going to put behind here so that I don't glue this to my cutting board. There, and get my snips. So we're just going to play with some flowers and see what we like. Okay, so my hot glue has had time to harden, so I'm just going to peel my little silicone mat off, and our flowers are on there to stay. So now we're going to take our scooch out a little bit. Going to take our frame that we stained with the paint. Let me move my cutting board so you can see better now. Okay, so we have our frame. We're going to put our little welcome sign right in the middle, and then we're just going to take a scrap of burlap ribbon. This is just some that I had in my craft box. Just going to cut a strip long enough to hang our little medallion down, and I don't know if I want to leave this. I think it's got a lace overlay on it. I think I'm going to leave that on there. I kind of like it. Okay, so we're going to position where we want our little sign to hang, and we're going to just measure our burlap ribbon. And this is nice wired ribbon, so I can fold it where I want to glue it. And I'm going to glue it in the back. So just going to measure right there, and then we're just going to flip the whole thing over. And I want to trim a little bit of this off. Okay, and we are just going to fold this over and put some hot glue on it. Make sure I got it in the center. Okay, so we're going to glue this down. Fold this over. See, I told y'all that is so quick and easy and simple, and it's really pretty. I saw something similar to this in Hobby Lobby, I think, and it was like $20. So you can put this together in no time. And if you don't have the ring with the welcome in it, you can use a small embroidery hoop and some of the metal words that they have in Dollar Tree all the time. You could stencil some letters onto a piece of burlap and put it across the ribbon. You can do about anything and make it your own. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.